Hello friends, welcome to Color Paper. So today we will see one of the latest feature which is available on WhatsApp. With the WhatsApp now we can do the payments. So first of all let me open the WhatsApp and we have to go to settings now. In settings there is a option you will be getting now is payments. So this is the feature if you upgrade your WhatsApp you will be getting it. If you are not able to see this payments option, you have to update your WhatsApp. So just tap the payments option and now you have to accept the terms and condition. Just click accept and continue, and now it will be going to send a message to your mobile number. Okay, just click verify via SMS and it will be backend, it will be verifying the banks which has been registered. So in order to do that we have to select the bank which is registered with this particular number. I'm selecting my bank. Now it will display the bank details which are registered on this number. Here these are my bank details. I just tap on that bank details. Now it will automatically verify your mobile number and it will add your account to the WhatsApp. Once this process will be done, and next time just click on done. And here you can see the bank details we have successfully added in WhatsApp. Now we have to do the transaction and we have to test it how fast it is working. So in the meanwhile let me suppose for testing purpose I am using 500 rupees WhatsApp. Click send button and this will ask you for the password UPI transaction. Just tap the transaction password. Yes, now we have successfully sent the amount to this particular account phone number. So let me cross verify the things. As of now you can see it here, the processing is completed. On other screen you can see the pop-up WhatsApp message we have received that you have received the 500 rupees. Just tap this. Here you can see on which bank it will be credited. So I have registered with my SBI bank in other phone, so the amount will be transferred directly to my SBI bank. So enter transaction details, so you can monitor it here, or else simply go to this settings, payments. Yeah, so this is my first transaction that I have made 100 rupees, and after that now I have received it 500 rupees. So here you can see the differences. The transactions which you have sent, it will be showing like the minus, and the transaction that you have received, it is showing in plus. So that's it guys. This is a wonderful feature which is available in WhatsApp now. Hopefully everyone will use it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will be receiving your pop-ups and notifications when I upload any new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.